Microsoft Azure versus Google Cloud Platform, two giants, one showdown. Which cloud is truly leading the way? On the left, Microsoft Azure Enterprise Grade, built for hybrid integration. And on the right, Google Cloud Platform, the AI-first, open-source innovator. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to what actually matters. We'll rate each category so you'll know exactly who dominates where. And trust us, the winner in 2025 might just surprise you. Okay, quick pause, let's get organized. Here's a mind map of all the major categories we're comparing today: price, enterprise and hybrid, AI and machine learning, global reach, open source and innovation, security and compliance, and developer experience. Everything from your bottom line to your team's day-to-day workflow, so stick around. Let's kick things off with price. So Azure, honestly, they've got tons of flexible pricing options and some neat cost management tools. If you're part of a big company, you can snag some sweet discounts, but fair warning. Their pricing models can get pretty complex, and if you want those juicy rates, you're looking at some upfront commitment. Now, switching to Google Cloud, the story here is all about sustained use and committed use discounts up to 70%, which is wild. And for AI or data-heavy workloads, the total cost can actually come out lower than you'd expect. Caveat though, you gotta tie yourself in for the long haul, and sometimes pricing can feel like you're decoding the matrix. Still, overall, Google Cloud sneaks ahead on price. Moving on, enterprise and hybrid. So Azure is like the king here, seriously. It's got the largest enterprise adoption, a super strong hybrid suite with things like Azure Arc and a crazy wide compliance portfolio. But if you're not already cozy with the Microsoft ecosystem, it can feel a little exclusive. Google Cloud steps in with Anthos for multi-cloud Kubernetes and some modern developer tools, which is cool, but their enterprise market share, yeah, it's just not as huge. Plus, integrating those old-school legacy systems, kinda limited. For this round, Azure's definitely still in the lead. Now for the fun stuff, AI and machine learning. Azure's deep OpenAI integration brings all the ChatGPT magic right to your doorstep, and their enterprise AI tools are really, really solid. The catch is, most of it leans into Microsoft and OpenAI, that's the vibe. Now, flipping over to Google Cloud, this is where things get exciting. Vertex AI plus those Gemini models, TensorFlow, BigQuery. If you're experimenting or pushing bleeding-edge AI, Google Cloud is like the place to be. Sure, the learning curve can make your enterprise team sweat a little, but if you're cloud native, it's downright awesome. So yeah, Google Cloud takes this category without breaking a sweat. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Google Cloud's been carbon neutral since 2007 and matches 100% renewable energy since 2017? Kinda inspiring, right? Let's talk global reach. Azure honestly has a beastly data center footprint, over 60 regions in 2025, folks, and killer local compliance options. That's massive, but a tiny heads up. The region and zone pricing can get a little complex to follow. Google Cloud, on the other hand, rolls out 34 regions and over 100 zones, and it's growing fast, especially in North America and Europe. Still, Azure's just everywhere. If you need that global scale, it's hard to beat. So for reach, Azure grabs this point. On to open source and innovation. Azure supports open source tech, especially for hybrid deployments, but let's be real, they're more of a backing player here. Now look at Google Cloud. These guys pretty much invented Kubernetes, and they're behind Istio, native, TensorFlow. It's kinda wild. Their APIs are a developer's playground. So yeah, if you want seriously innovative, open development, Google Cloud is miles ahead. Azure's strong, but Google Cloud's the actual pioneer here. Security and compliance next. Azure rolls out the big guns, built-in enterprise and government compliance for all the major standards: ISO, SOC 2, HIPAA, plus advanced threat protection. Defender is a beast. Just know, sometimes the coolest features are locked behind premium tiers. Google Cloud is also tough on security, end-to-end encryption by default and zero trust baked in thanks to Google's massive infra. The compliance coverage is solid, but for those really specialized regions, Azure's got a wider net. And for certifications, Google's catching up, but not quite there yet. Bottom line, Azure still owns this category. Last up, developer experience. Azure is pretty slick if you live in the Microsoft universe. Think seamless dev tools, SDKs, libraries, all that jazz. It's great for net and the whole Microsoft stack, though outside that things can feel a bit, unexciting. Google Cloud brings wild modern APIs, open standard tooling, and oh man, the pace of innovation around ML and containers is nuts. It might overwhelm if you're not a code junkie and enterprise guidance isn't always handholding, but for devs craving fresh tools, Google Cloud's easily the winner here. If you're a visual person, imagine a radar chart here with Azure and Google Cloud spiking on different areas. Azure owns compliance, hybrid, global reach, while Google Cloud flies high on price, AI, open source, and developer experience. You see their strengths kinda stretching in different directions. Honestly, picking a winner depends on your needs. Azure is absolutely the go-to for enterprise, hybrid scenarios, compliance-heavy industries, and legacy upgrades. But if you're all about AI, analytics, and unleashing developer creativity, Google Cloud might just steal your heart. Real talk, most businesses in 2025 are mixing these clouds together, grabbing the best from each. So it's not always about picking just one. Alright, what do you think? Does your team vibe more with Azure or Google Cloud? Hit up the docs, play around in the sandbox, and find what fits your vision. See you next time.